What's up with it? What? My bro Travis. Travis Barker. Is that my bro Travis Barker? Bro, you still be on your drum, bro? I'm about to check out on your channel. You been dropping some new videos? Oh, look who it is. My boy Travis Barker. What up, bro? How's your dog? She's getting big. Oh, hell yeah, my bro. Travis. My bro, what's the damn deal? Your dog getting big? Oh, yeah. I have a new channel. Okay. Already. Great. That's what's up, my bro. Damn, Travis. My bro. Already. My bro, Travis in the house. Travis in the house. Hell yeah, man. Just chilling. Trying to get my watch hours up so before I go back to work. Yeah, my bro. I'm about to. You know I got my other channel too. This is my other channel too. So click on both of them. That's my other channel too. Yeah, man. Shit, just chilling, bro. Finna go back to work in a minute. So I'm gonna leave my live on. Oh, man, you know ain't nothing changed about me, bro. You already know I got some flavors. In a little dab. Already. That's my bro. Yes, sir. You know you gotta treat yourself. You gotta treat yourself, bro. You gotta treat yourself. Yeah, man. You damn bees out on my patio, man. Shit. Can't kill them. They be trying to beat me up. Oh, shit. So you know you getting that straight medical, bro. That's what's up. Yeah, man. That's what's up. It's all good. I'm finna hit the work anyway, so shit, I'm gonna click back on later too. Right? I'm gonna leave this baby running, so if you wanna type anything, just type it in. Shit, I'll check it out later. So yeah, you already know, bro. Be safe. Peace out, Travis. Yeah, I'm gonna go get some more money. Yes, I'm about that time. All these damn bees. Let me think about this piece of shit. My bro Travis stopped through. What?